continue to follow the case against Ray Tensing, the former University of Cincinnati police officer that is charged now in the shooting death of Sam DuBose. So let's get some legal analysis now from Rodney Harris from the Public Defender's Office. You were up in the courthouse for the earlier testimony. We heard from police officers from the University of Cincinnati Police Department. Your take on the testimony we've heard so far?
I thought this morning the defense actually scored some points. I thought both of the officers that actually arrived on scene were very helpful to the defense. Most importantly, I think what they were effective in doing was moving Officer Tensing, or Defendant Tensing, from the place where the car was initially stopped with Mr. DuBose in it to the scene where they said that he got up off the ground. I heard the estimates from, I believe it was Officer Kidd, saying it was about a 10 to 15 foot distance that he was moved. I think the other thing that was effective and important was the testimony of the officers about hearing the squealing tires prior to hearing that gunshot. Now, of course, the squealing tires, for me, means that the car was attempting to move, but it was in place because the tires were squealing versus the car being automatically still.
So you say win for the defense so far?
I think so. I think the state did score some points. I think having the officer impeach Officer Tensing, specifically what I'm speaking of is the testimony from Officer Kidd that Officer Tensing said that he was afraid or he was being dragged, and he said, yeah, I seen that, and he came back and testified that at his statement 48 hours afterwards, he said he didn't actually see that. And then again today he testified that he didn't actually see that. I think it was also supported by Officer Lyndon Smith saying that he never actually seen Defendant Tensing being dragged by the car. So although I think overall the defense scored some points, I do think that the state did make a bucket or two themselves.
All right, Mr. Harris, we appreciate the insight as always each and every day.